A Las Vegas-based company now testing people for COVID-19 antibodies. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
And I'm Denise Valdez. In fact, more than 100 COVID-19 antibody tests are on the market that are not approved by the federal government. A Las Vegas-based health company is now conducting COVID-19 antibody testing using an authorized lab. 8 News Now reporter Joe Moeller is live outside of E7 Health, which is near Bermuda and Windmill, with more tonight. Joe?
Hey there, good evening. That's right. Well, someone might have recently had an illness and might be wondering, maybe I had COVID-19. Well, now there's a way to find out. We're at E7 Health. There's 2 locations here in the valley, like you mentioned. We're at the Windmill and Bermuda location. Take a look at the sign out front. They're now doing COVID-19 antibody testing. Now, this test will let people know if they did have the virus.
I had been sick in February, fever, runny nose, the whole 9 yards, and of course.
Ginger Allen wanted to know if her recent illness was COVID-19.
I work in the medical field, so I'm in offices all the time with patients, in and out, and also my mom. I wanted to make sure that I'm protecting her.
She did a COVID-19 antibody test. It came back negative. She wanted to make sure she could inform people if she did indeed have it, something medical experts say will help in the fight.
If I come in and say, oh, I'm positive now, then I know 4 weeks ago I had the disease, and then I can go to my relatives or whoever I came in contact with and warn them.
Jonathan BAKTARI is the CEO and medical director of E7 Health. For decades, the Las Vegas company has been performing antibody tests for a number of illnesses such as measles and mumps. Days ago, they started antibody testing for COVID-19. In April, the FDA issued an emergency authorization for certain companies to do the tests.
This was because there was a lot of tests coming on the market, literally hundreds of tests, often from China, which had no authorization, no clearance, and they hit the market.
He says no referral is needed. You make an appointment on e7health.com and come in. The samples go to an authorized lab. The results coming back in 2 to 3 days and are posted on an online portal. He says the tests are from a company called Abbott Laboratories, which is authorized. If people are getting antibody tests, it is important they are done at a reputable company.
It's very important because there are a lot of other kits and clinics doing really non-authorized FDA kits before the authorizations started kicking in.
Now back out here live, the antibody test costs around $149. BAKTARI says that a lot of insurance companies will reimburse for these tests, as many companies have actually made changes to policies to help in the fight against COVID-19. Reporting live here in Las Vegas, Joe Moeller, 8 News Now.